Om Shanti, very good morning to one and all. Today we will go through English Mulli, that is 20th February 2021. Baba is telling, sweet children, you are the godly community. You have found the Father, the Son of knowledge. You have now awakened and you therefore have to awaken others. Why are there all the different conflict and what is the solution to them? Now when there is body consciousness, there are many different types of conflict. There are the omens of Maya. Baba says become soul conscious and engage yourself in doing service. Stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance and all the bad omens will be removed. So what the real answer? Now, because why there are many kind of conflict and what is the solution? The real solution of the conflict is to forget about your body consciousness. Try to remember the soul consciousness stage. The Maya, because there is many conflict in different type of conflict, that is omens of Maya. Baba says become soul conscious and engage yourself in doing service. Stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance. Engage yourself on the service. Then stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance. Om Shanti. Today Baba is telling, sweet children, essence for dharana, number 1 point. In order to establish peace and happiness in Bharat and make Bharat into heaven, hold seminar among yourselves, follow Srimad and serve Bharat in this way. Number 2. In order to progress in service and claim a high status by doing service, make effort to remain soul conscious, churn the ocean of knowledge. And today blessing, may you be a true renunciate who experience fortune by having renunciation in your elevated dharana. May you be a true renunciate who experiences fortune by having renunciation in your elevated dharana. The elevated dharana of Brahmin is complete purity. It is remembered of this dharana, you do not break your promise even if you have to die in any type of situation, whether you have to renounce something or tolerate something or face something, opposition or have courage to uphold this drama. Do it happily. Do not consider renunciation to be renunciation, but experience it as fortune, and you will then be called a true renunciate. Experience it is your fortune. If you are getting a chance of renouncing something, then think that it is a chance of I am getting that fortune. Okay, those with such dharana are called true Brahmin. Those with such dharana is called true Brahmin. Today's slogan, those who keep all their powers in order are master almighty authority. Those who keeps all their powers in order or master in almighty authority. Their powers are in orders only or in the stage of master almighty authority. So this is the today's slogan. Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.